So I just got to Pro Sport and I said, hey, I'm the annoying guy that's been calling you every other day asking where my gauge is, and she just walks up and hands me this, not even in a box or anything. Hopefully it's the right one so I don't have to come back here, but oh. And there's a car show coming up on Sunday and today's Thursday. My steering wheel comes in Saturday, so I'm gonna have to sit there and wait for it until it comes in and then install it that night. Tomorrow, me and my buddy Bruce, we're gonna buff the car, so maybe I'll show some of that. So, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm at my shop, got the oil pressure gauge in, and the little tiny Allen key bolt right there is missing. See, it doesn't have one, and these have them. So now it just fucking falls out. So I'm gonna have to go back there, just like I fucking knew I would. Just leaving Pro Sport now. I brought my tools with me and got the gauges all done. That's what they look like finally. Alright, going to Bruce's now to start cleaning this puppy up. Washing and waxing. I just got done washing her. So I just washed the car and drove to the nearest E85 station, which is 20 minutes away. I'm gonna go to my shop and wax it when I get back. I don't know what it is about this gas station, but it pumps so slow. They say there's like an air bubble in the system and they need somebody to come look at it, but it's always like this. It's terrible. So while I'm here, I might as well record since this is going so fucking slow. I gotta fill that up too. And show you what I pre-mix with. It's this stuff, Clots. It's what they use in RC cars. I use this because it mixes with ethanol. The Redline makes a brand, but it's twice as expensive. It's not twice, it's almost. But it's supposed to be better than this. Oh yeah, and I gotta watch it because last time I was here, it just popped and it kept pumping and spilt everywhere. They're building a Thornton's right there. I won't have to drive so far out of the way. Hurry up! Hurry up! E85, baby. I got my Nardi steering wheel in the mail. I'm heading to my shop now. That's the steering wheel hub. And I'm gonna go install it. The show's tomorrow and it came in on time. It's coming together. Okay, so here's the stock original steering wheel. I'm gonna start working on getting that out. Put the Nardi in. Alright, so I took out the three 10mm bolts right here from the back. Here and here. And the airbag fell out. It's here. And I'm gonna use a 21mm. I'm gonna use my air socket. My air compact. Let's see. Boom, got that nut off. Yeah, so now I should be able to smack this thing or something. It's coming. And she's off. Gotta figure out this clip here. That one. And then it'll be off completely. So here's a size comparison, the stock wheel and the new Nardi wheel. This is a 350mm wheel. I think this is 380. I didn't want to go too much smaller because the smaller the wheel is, the harder it is to turn, and I got rid of power steering, so I didn't want to go too small. Alright, this next step, I'm taking off this clock spring because the hub adapter won't go on because this thing's in the way. So I just took off these screws and it just comes off. Now hopefully it'll go on. Let's see. Yep, she goes on. Alright, well I'm gonna take her out and see if it's aligned, because if it's not, it's gonna annoy the piss out of me. So before I put everything back together, I'm gonna go test it out. driving straight and it's definitely not aligned. I gotta go back and fix this. I love the feel though, it feels so nice. It makes it feel like a sports car compared to that big old sport touring feeling wheel I had before. I should have done this a long time ago. I've been dreaming about this wheel, man, for probably 10 years. I'm in the fucking hood. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. I absolutely love this steering wheel. It feels amazing. And when I'm driving, I can actually see all my gauges. For some reason, with the OEM wheel, I couldn't see all my gauges, which is kind of odd. You'd think it would have better view. Something about, this is a Nardi deep corn, 350 millimeter. I think it's called deep corn because these are, they make the wheel stick out more, so it's closer to your body. Because I notice I keep missing. I keep trying to hit the blinkers and I keep missing. I have to reach way farther back to get to the blinkers. But I can see all the gauges perfectly. I haven't been able to do that ever in the car. I don't know if it's because I'm short or what. It looks a little weird. This thing looks huge behind this little steering wheel now, but it's OEM. But yeah, excited for this car show tomorrow.